Hi friends, I want to explain this energy emitter, how this can be used. There are many questions coming to me from my team, my healers, then how this can be used. And what is this? This is, I call it as a energy emitter because this follows the principle of magnetogeometry. That basically all our Vibrionics is based on magnetogeometry. So this device is also based on magnetogeometry, but this is not used for any making remedy, medicine, nothing like that. But it emits the certain vibration which affects, means positively, means like all SOHM 1 to 10 groups can be embedded in this box. Any one or two can be embedded. Anyway, I have made in this box three, the SOHM remove of entity and remove black evil all level, that tip mixtures, and peace and love alignment. Peace and love alignment. So, how to use this? Even if this light is coming wherever, how will come to know that this is we are receiving its power, it's receiving your message? When you see this red light, means when red light is falling in your retina or it is sensing by your brain, that means it carries that message. So best use, how all this can be used. I told you this can be used by just put a table lamp and put the photograph. This is basically for love and peace alignment. Just take for example. So love and peace alignment, who all required? Everyone requires. So just take a table lamp, spread all the photographs and let this light fall on it. Otherwise, you can hook it to the nail in your any room, bedroom. It will work like a bed lamp, and at that time also it will emit the message of love and peace alignment. And what all you use this in plug? If you are charging a mobile, that energy stored in your mobile will also carry the message of love and peace alignment. It all works on our intention designed circuit. So just like when you pray God, you assume that everything is fine, everything you are getting fine, or you make one small yajna and expect something good to happen. It is similar like that. Intention is put into a hardware, and that hardware, through this light is coming, so it emits, so it sends that message. So like that, now here we can use any something like that musical thing. When you click this like this, they are available in the market. This sound also will carry the message of love and peace. So there are many settings, you all will know it. All this sound will also carry this message. Whatever we are embedded, it will carry that message. And suppose if you want to use like a bed lamp, or just put the light, this light will emit the peace and love message. Even now you are looking at this video, when this light falls on it is recorded in our camera. When you see this also, you will also get the message of love and peace. Similarly, There are very beautiful numbers we can embed on this. I suggest meditation is a very good one. You can embed the meditation here and you just put it in front of you, or some people like to do tratak. You just put it on the nail on the wall. Just you can do tratak on this lamp itself. You can do tratak on this lamp. That way, suppose this is embedded for the meditation, so we'll go into the deeper level of meditation. There are 10 most important vibrations in the Soham book. You refer it. In that one, any one can be embedded in this, or you go for the numerical materia medica. We have more than 14,000 rates. Those also can be embedded into this box. Only one, maximum two can be embedded in the box that will emit the positive vibration. You can put a load up to 100 watts. We can put a load up to 100 watt, and this will work like a amplifier. You can say whatever the message is there, that will be conveyed to whoever, whether he hears the sound or looks at the light, or he charges the mobile. Means energy, coded energy goes to everywhere. You can do it in this way. So the people who are asking how to use this, I hope I made you clear how energy emitters can be used effectively. Thank you.